Alright, what's really good, everybody? Today I got another video. I went and grabbed some RaceLands for the NB. I'll be installing these pretty soon here. I've been wanting to lower the car since I got it, so I kind of held out, and I saw these were on sale for Black Friday, and they came here pretty quick. Today is it's Tuesday, so it came in like a few days, real quick. Yeah, they're just the basic RaceLands. I don't think they make the Ultimos that I have on my other Miata for the NB. So yeah, let's pop this bad boy open and see what it do. Okay, so as you can see, they packaged it real nicely. The box didn't come damaged or anything. They sent it through FedEx in a couple days. There's a sticker there, and then all these are individually wrapped. Should be pretty easy to install since we've done them a few times. All right, sorry about that. It's kind of hard to film with one hand and remove the plastic. But yeah, they're just simple RaceLands. They should make the car look a whole lot better. I don't think I'm gonna go super crazy low, but these will get me where I want to be. And it comes with the 2 spanner wrenches. These are always good to have when you have cars with coilovers. I always misplace those, so it's good to have. Let's see a close-up. Yeah, so I mean, I've been riding on the other ones for like 3 or 4 years now with no problems. What's this? This is a little RaceLand box. Nice. There's a little coilover keychain. I'll probably be putting that on my keys for sure. Pretty cool. I wish they would have sent the green ones when I bought the Ultimos, but I don't know if they had these back then. It's pretty sweet. And yeah, that's about it. Just stay tuned. I got more videos on the way. I also have a GV lip for the NB Miata. That's going to be going on soon, probably before I lower it. So maybe in a couple days I'll have that installed. So that's about it for this video, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.